Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make free mockups for your clothing brand in Photopea. So basically Photopea is a Photoshop alternative which is completely free and you can use it on your browser. Now before we start, make sure to check out this video description for all the links to the websites that we're gonna use in this video. So the first step is to simply search for some clothing mockups. For this, I'm gonna use this website, which is called Vectezi. I'm gonna leave the link down in this video description. And as you can see from here, we can download these free mockups, and some of them are free and some of them needs a premium plan if you want to use more templates, but I'm gonna use this free one, this t-shirt one. So we're gonna have to simply click on the download button and then we're gonna receive our files. Now the next step is to start creating our designs. So for this, we're gonna use this website, which is called Kittle. And again, this is free, but of course, if you want premium features, you can basically sign up for a paid plan, and basically that's it. Now here, as you can see, so basically when you sign up for a free account, you're gonna be able to start creating a new project. So simply click on new project and then you're gonna get redirected to the editor. Now for this, we can use the t-shirt template, or you can simply go with the standard one. I'm gonna use the standard one because I want to create a logo. Now here on the left side, as you can see, we have some templates, some logos that we can use. And as you can see, these are high quality logos. So we can simply click on this. And as you can see, we have these ones here. So I'm gonna use one of them. So I'm gonna delete these ones. I'm gonna use this one here, secret project, because it looks amazing. So we're gonna have to resize this and make it bigger, and then we're gonna center it here in the middle. Now, if you want, you can add text. So here on the left side, you can basically add more text. You can use these templates. As you can see, we have titles. So we can click on that, and then we can simply click here and add it to our project. So you can play around with the settings here and all the designs. So once you finish this, you're gonna have to click on export in the top right corner, and then here choose PNG. Now, if you want to remove the background, but you don't want to pay, I'm gonna show you how to do that, because this feature you need to have the premium plan of Kittle. So I'm gonna export it as normal project here. Now let's open our Finder, and we should have here our logo right here. Now, if we want to remove the white background, we're gonna have to use this other website, which is called remove.bg. Then simply click on upload image, and then we're gonna have to select our logo. And as you can see, the AI will do all the work for us. And then we can simply download it, and then we have the logo. So now we're gonna have to open Photopea, and then we're gonna have to open the mockup. So as you can see, I have it right here. So I'm gonna choose this JPG file, and there it is, the mockup. So this is the front size and this is the back side. Now, all manufacturers need these types of mockups so they understand your design and they can create your design. So now what we're gonna have to do is simply go to file and then click on open, and now we can start adding the logos, etc. So here we have the logo, so we can simply copy this and then place it here, paste it here. So let me go back here. Now we're gonna have to simply click on copy, then go here and click on paste. And as you can see, we have our logo right here. And here is our layers. So here basically we can add more stuff and we can basically play around with everything. So we can place it wherever we want. We can basically create duplicates. So let's go here to this one. And as you can see, we can add it to the back side. So let's resize this. We can go to the edit side, click on scale, and we can resize it. Now, if you want to change the colors, you can basically use this tool right here, which is quick selection. And basically you're gonna be able to select different parts of your design. But in order to do that, we're gonna have to select here the the project, and as you can see, the t-shirt has been selected. Now if we go here to, so let's go here to the brush tool, we can change the size and the color, and we can simply start playing around with the colors, etc. And you're gonna be able to look here how it's gonna look like our design. So overall, that's all you have to do. This is a basic tutorial. Of course, if you want something more in depth, make sure to leave a comment in this video, under this video. And basically, after you finish with your design, you can basically go to file, then click on export, and you can choose any of these. So if you want, you can save it as a PNG or a PDF, and then you can send it to your manufacturer. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.